outside talaga. Gagawin ko lahat. Parang hindi ko matanggap na 530 pesos. But in baht, it's 312. 312 ba to? Tapos, ito lang siya, ganito lang siya kaliit. My God. Pero no choice ako kasi lahat close pa. Ito lang yung bukas. Tapos habang nag-order ako, nag-open yung McDo. Sobrang bastos. Shit. Anyways, hindi ko lang kasi kaya. Gutom na ako. Tapos, yung boarding, 550. Ewan ko ba, mga desisyon ko sa buhay. Talagang, ewan ko na lang. Kaya siguro 500. Disappoint naman ako. Akala ko pwede ako mag-OOTD. Ang gara ng departure area ng Vietjet.
Is strictly prohibited. Thank you for your cooperation. Ladies and gentlemen, attention please. The aircraft is now refueling. For your safety, please remain seated and release your seatbelt. All
ภัยของท่านกรุณานั่งประจำที่ท่านผู้โดยสารคะขณะนี้เครื่องบินของเรากำลังอยู่ในระหว่างการเติมน้ำมันเพื่อความปลอดภัยของท่านกรุณานั่งประจำที่ปลดสายรัดเข็ม
I'm now in the plane going to Phuket. Phuket. See you nakap. In fairness, maganda yung Vietjet. Maluwang. Ito yung seating. So, pwede ka matulog. Sarap pakinggan nung announcement, Tay.
ปิดโทรศัพท์มือถือและอุปกรณ์อิเล็กทรอนิกส์ทุกชนิดพร้อมทั้งขอความกรุณางดสูบบุหรี่ด้วยค่ะขอบคุณค่ะ
Kapon ka. As of now, wala pa akong katabi. Sana wala akong katabi or kung may katabi man ako, sana alam ba niya.
นี่คือเข็มขัดนิรภัย
Fasten insert the metal tip into the buckle and tighten by pulling the strap.
วิธี
And gentlemen, to keep our aircraft tidy, the cabin crew will collect the rubbish from the
คือ8นาฬิกา10นาทีอุณหภูมิภายนอก27องศาเซลเซียส Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Phuket International Airport. The local time is 10 minutes past 8 p.m. and the outside temperature is around 27 degrees Celsius.
Nagdala ko ng mga tote bags, of course. It's a tote bag. And then another one. Kapalabas na tayo, hanapin natin yung bus. Kasi kapag nag-taxi tayo, it's so expensive. So what we're just gonna do, lalabas lang tayo. Just have to turn left. Hanapin niyo lang yung public transportation. So if magka-grab tayo or Bolt, it will cost us around 500 baht. So para makatipid, mag-bus tayo. Bus is only 100 baht. So mag-bus tayo. Ayan guys, pa-exit na ako. Should I buy coffee? This one, orange? Kapun ka. Ayan, ito na yung bus. Okay, here's the bus. So, ayan yung mga guide. 100 baht. So, saan tayo bababa? Oh, ay, may bus din to from Top Cape, oh. Ito yung bus. Ay, oh. Ay. This is gonna be a 1-hour ride. I'm now here in Old Town Phuket. Phuket is Thailand's largest island, and it is known for its beautiful beaches and mountain ranges. Isa sa mga pinakasikat na puntahan dito sa Phuket, sa Pilipinas, merong Old Vegan City. Dito sa Phuket, matatagpuan din ang Old Town Phuket. How much?
200 baht.
200 baht? Old Town Phuket is inspired by Sino-Portuguese architectural designs. It is actually a blend of Chinese and European designs that reflects the island's history of trading hub. So noong unang mga panahon pa, ginagamit itong Old Town Phuket para sa trading, ganyan. So hanggang ngayon, parang na-preserve nila yung area as like a big market. Sikat na sikat talaga tong Old Town Phuket sa mga shooting locations. At kaya nga naman ako nandito dahil dito nag-shoot ang pinaka-favorite kong Thai BL, ang I Told Sunset About You. I Told Sunset About You aired last 2020 and sobrang tagal na ng panahon nang lumipas. Nasa puso ko pa din ang I Told Sunset About You. Kaya naman, let's start with the first target location, the Kopitiam Restaurant. If you're a hardcore fan, this location is very familiar. Ito yung bahay ni Tae and yung mom niya. Usually, yung mga scenes dito is yung family gathering, at saka meron din confrontational scene dito. So, importante talaga tong location na ito. Pagdating ko sa Kopitiam, nagulat ako na restaurant na pala siya. Akala ko hindi ako magkakaroon ng chance na makapasok or matry makita sa loob, pero fortunately, it is a restaurant so you can enter basta bibili ka ng food. I was lucky enough that this table is not yet reserved, so most of the tables here are reserved, and sobrang swerte ko dahil nakuha ko tong location na to. The attendees are very nice and accommodating, and hindi naman nila ako pinagbawalan mag-video, ganyan. Tapos very, sila, helpful and understanding. Water?
Still water, drinking water, sparkling water.
The regular drinking water.
Water,
Bottle, yeah. Is it this one?
we have a cup,
Cup.
refill, a cup to refill, and a bottle.
This cup free refill.
Free refill, with ice.
Cup.
Food or after food?
After? Cup. At dahil nandito na nga tayo, dito rin natin matitikman ang favorite ni Te, ang Hokkien noodles. Alam mo ba, habang pinapanood ko yung series before, natatakam ako sa noodles na yun. Dahil mahilig ako sa mga pansit, ganyan. Kaya naman, sobrang natatakam ako sa Hokkien, and finally, matitikman na natin siya. As a Filipino, this tastes like parang lomi na pinaghalong mami. Parang ganun. Tapos medyo may pagka-pansit canton. Ganun yung lasa niya. Siyempre, ang next naman nating titikman, ang favorite ni Oeo. Ang pangalan din nito ay Oeo.
Hindi ko alam paano kainin. Parang ganito yata. Sobrang refreshing.
If you are curious what it tastes like halo-halo. If you're Filipino, you know it. Most of the shooting locations of Itsai is walkable inside the Old Town Phuket. So yung mga restaurants, hotel and school, and museums are all just in Old Town Phuket. Kayang-kayang lakarin lahat ng location. Remember this location? Ito yung area na nag-shoot sila ng coming of age music video. Sobrang surreal to be here. Oh my God. Alam mo ba, the whole time in this trip, I feel overwhelming emotions during this time. My next location is the Memory at On Hotel. This location has significant scenes actually from the series, but unfortunately when I arrived, the location is actually a hotel. And sadly, because of huge fans coming and visiting here, they made some of quiet revisions, and medyo hindi na siya yung katulad ng inaasahan kong scenario. But there's a small coffee shop you can visit or drink while checking the place. So, umalis kagad ako at pinuntahan ko naman ang next location na sobrang kasunod at kalapit lang ng location na On Hotel. And this is the Sengtam Shrine. Isa ito sa pinakamahalagang eksena sa series. Parang dito nabuo yung emotions and feelings and built up ng conflicts and all that. If you know the series, you know where I am coming from. Talagang goosebumps, tsaka peaceful yung feeling. But this time, to visit this shrine, na kung saan dito pa nag-shoot ang I Told Sunset About You, it really gave me a different chill in my body. And sobra ko na-feel yung eksena. Parang talagang pumasok ako sa cinematic world ng I Told Sunset About You. I was lucky enough to try this because ang tagal ko na ding balak talagang itry ito. I'm not a Buddhist. I am actually a Catholic, but I am really looking forward to experience this. I really just wanna try this kung saan i-shake mo yung sticks and then kung ano yung malalaglag, may number siya. Tapos kung ano yung number, hahanapin mo sa boxes. And then yun yung parang tadhana mo or yung destiny mo, ganon. I really cannot believe I was here. Na-immerse ako dun sa idea na mga important scenes ng I Told Sunset About You was shot here. And finally, in my own eyes, in my own presence, nandito na ako. Grabe talaga. Ang next ko naman pinuntahan ay ang Dibok Restaurant. Dito sa Dibok Restaurant, katabi niya yung tutorial school nila Te and Oe in the series. Magkatabi lang sila. Pero when I arrived, tutorial school was closed and I don't know what is inside. Pero yung katabing Dibok Restaurant, it's open. And na-surprise din ako kasi walang tao. Swerte kasi usually marami daw tao dito. Pero this time, I am alone. You can also see photos of Pipi and Bilkin during their shooting days. This last location, Promtep Cape, is very significant to the series. I'm now here at Bolt and I'm going to Promtep. Dapat magbabasa ako kaso parang kulang sa oras at saka hindi ko alam kung saan sasakay. Walang ring dumadaang bus. Kala ko yung bus ko kanina. Yun na yun, pero hindi pala. So bumaba pa ako. Tapos 3 p.m. na ngayon. Tapos 1 hour yung drive papuntang Promtep. So imagine mo na lang yung oras. So kailangan ko nang magmadali. Kaya pilitan na ako mag-Bolt. Para sa Itsay talaga, gagawin ko lahat. Promtep yung pinaka-last na pupuntahan ko dito sa Phuket. Marami pang attractions dito at marami pang magandang puntahan talaga dito pero hindi na kaya sa oras. Kaya talagang yun lang yung masisingit ko dito sa trip ko dito sa Phuket. Pero so far, lahat ng gusto kong puntahan, napuntahan ko. Hindi man ako nakapag Elephant Sanctuary dahil kulang sa oras, but it's okay. At least napuntahan ko talaga yung mga main goals ko. Who knows, we will go back here again for sure. Sa ngayon, nahihirapan lang ako kasi ang init sobra. Tapos yung Bolt ko ngayon medyo mahal. Nasa 384 baht siya. Pero dahil wala nang oras, go na lang. Dito talaga nakunan yung title na I Told Sunset About You and also nakunan yung emotions and talagang andito talaga yung highlight. And I don't want to miss this place. I really went here kahit na sobra siyang nasa dulo ng Phuket. Oh my God. Wait lang, parang hindi pa ako ready. Ito na yung last stop natin sa ating parang Itsay tour. Pero emotional na naman. Nagiging-emotional ako. Pero ito na, andito na tayo. Imagine, sinong hibang ang pupunta sa pinakadulo ng Phuket para lang makita itong location
Lord,
nito.
thank you at my son.
If a regular tourist will go to Phuket, they will spend time in a beach, in hotels. I am here sa pinakadulo ng Phuket, visiting Promtep Cape just to see the sunset.
My God.
And to experience I Told Sunset About You.
Oh my God.
Grabe, itong location na to, medyo may pagka-hiking siya. Punong-puno ng stairs and tilted hills. So parang, ano siya talaga for me, struggle dahil hindi ako handa. So if you are planning to come here, expect hiking experience, pero worth it siya. Parang nakabrief na lang siya sa sobrang init. The moment I arrived, the sun came out. But then, when I went up into the hills and finally arrived the shooting location, dati parang pinanonood ko lang siya sa screen ng iPad ko and sa screen ng TV. Ngayon, nakikita ko na siya with my own eyes. Grabe talaga yung impact ng I Told Sunset About You. Na imagine a guy from the south in the Philippines will travel thousands of miles just to be here and experience this. I am truly grateful na finally I afford and had the time to visit this location and experience this. This was all just a dream. Mind you, I was just traveling alone and my best friend was my tripod. Pero it was all worth it. I made it. I made it alone. Just wanna feel the moment. Alam mo yung ngayong moment, the now. This is once in a lifetime experience. And what I felt was full of gratitude talaga. Not just to Itsai, but also to myself for allowing myself to experience this. This is the best trip I've ever had. And hindi ko to makakalimutan. Te, OEO, PP Bilkin, thank you so much. And to P-Boss, the director of Itsai, grabe naman ako. Bakit naman ako nagte-thank you sa kanila? Pero these people really and gave me so much impact. Ano ba tong Phuket? Ginagawa akong emosyonal? Tama na nga. Itong trip na to, sobra talaga siyang tatatak sa puso ko at sa isip ko habang buhay.
ไม่ใช่โอ้ย
Patrick for Fluid or Bangkok. The departure gate has been changed to the boarding gate number 6. The departure gate has been changed to the boarding gate number 6. We do apologize for the inconvenience and queue.
ประตูทางออกได้ถูกเปลี่ยนจากประตูทางออกหมายเลข 84 เป็นประตูทางท่าอากาศยานนานาชาติสุวรรณภูมิจะประกาศพื้นที่เรื่องภายในอีก